Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 110, Section C, Achiever, toughest one, Logical Reasoning. Let's start. Select the correct figure, water image of the given figure X. Water image means what? Here there are two types of images, mirror image and water image. Water means water will always be placed at the lower end and mirror can be placed anywhere over here. Okay. So water means definitely it is down. Now we have to imagine how will this figure look in water. See these two dots over here. So these will come up. So where are the two dots which will come up? Only in B. No other figure has similar dots. So don't look at anything else now. B is the correct answer. Move ahead. Once you get the hint, don't waste your time on further things. If you want, you can check the remaining things also. They are in line. But I suggest in exam don't waste your time because there is a problem of time in exam. Here, everyone who appears for any competitive exam is capable. So who gets the ranks? Only those who manage time. Others, everyone knows everything. The problem is of the time. Who manages time, he'll be the ranker. Next, select a figure from the options which satisfies the same conditions of placement of dots as in figure X. Here, is there any dot given in ABCD? No. But what is the question? Understand that first. You need not look at the dots. It should follow the same conditions as for the dots in X, right? So what is in X? First check that. One of the dots lies in the region common to the circle and a triangle only, right? Circle and a triangle, this dot. Another dot lies in the circle alone. See this center one. And the third one is in the square and a circle. Means what? There is one region which is common to circle and triangle only. One region which is common to circle and square only. And one region which is only for circle. So any of these figures has it. Let's check. Okay. In figure 1 there is no common region between circle and triangle, whereas we had it in X. So A is gone. In figure B there is no common region between circle and square alone. So that is also gone. In first also it was A also, circle and triangle alone we were checking. Here it is alone in X. So it should have. No. So now C. Is there any region between circle and triangle alone? Yes. Circle and triangle in square? Yes. Single circle means only circle. Is there any region? Yes. See this one and this one. So C will be satisfied. Will D be satisfied? No. Why? Because D also has the same logic. There is no region which is common to, not common to. There is no region which has only circle. So D is gone. So only C will be the answer. You can call this 1, 2, 3 and 4 also if you want to check up with this given comments. Next, there are three figures X, Y and Z showing the sequence of folding of a sheet of paper. Okay, see this X, Y and Z. What is done? This paper is folded over here. In Y it comes half. Now it is again folded over here and then there is a cut, triangular cut made on it. Select the figure from the options which would resemble the unfolded form of the paper. Suppose if I give a cut and then unfold it, then which one would look the same? See here, this point of the triangle is inside, right? So which one has and there would be four triangles because you unfold it over here and here. Four triangles would be there. So pointed inside, which one has it? Only D. So D is the answer. Next, which of the following is the mirror image of the given combination when mirror is kept vertically left? See, mirror is over here, left on this side. Okay. So, see, this is a mirror. So, how will the figure look? This arrow is pointing over here on this side. So, it will be pointing on the opposite side, right? So, either C or D. Now, in C or D, what happens? See this. See this pointer. This S type is on this side, so it will be on the other side. So C. D, is it possible? No, because here if you put it over here, the point, the front end, the front of this square should point in the towards the mirror. So it is pointing towards the mirror in C only. So C is the answer. See here, practice is the only solution to this. Okay. Check our written material section. There are many problems and questions of this type over there. Next, A transparent sheet X this is folded with a pattern and a dotted line is given. Select the figure from the option as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet X is folded along the dotted line. Means what? See, this is the sheet and we fold this on this line. So how will it appear? See, this black circle will superimpose on this within this middle, this big circle. This line will superimpose over here, and this smaller circle will again superimpose on this triangle, right? So B and C not possible. Why B is not possible? See here, this triangle is facing downwards. Here it is facing upwards. So gone. C is not possible because this line is touching these two black circles. Means in the center of these two black circles. Here it's not in the center of these two black circles. So C is also gone. So only A satisfies this solution, this answer. So A is the answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.